जो लेना है वो हमारा सीएस ने मीटिंग करके ले लिया। तो इसके लिए आपको आतंक चढ़ाने का कोई जरूरत नहीं है। अभी देखो, मेरा अच्छा से करने दो। अभी ऐसा कोई अलर्टनेस कोई हमारे पास नहीं है। जो होगा मैं आपको बता देंगे। And our government is always ready to do any service for the people. COVID we fought, कैसे कोविड को टाइप में हम लोगों ने किया है। हम जो भी अगर कुछ होगा हमारा कोई गाइडलाइंस आएगा तो हम जरूर देखेंगे।
First of all, I would like to say, let's not compare this with COVID-19 because COVID virus was entirely a new virus and none of us had immunity against this. But this virus has been described clearly since 2001, and in fact there are evidence that this virus has been with us way back from late 1950s. So I don't think there is any need to worry about this virus because by the age of 10 years of age, majority of children have immunity against this particular virus. So what I'm trying to say that COVID-19 was entirely different thing, and this particular virus, it's not a new virus, and I don't think we should be panicking because of that.
Sir, as we are in winter season, so what are the preventive measures to protect from these infectious viruses or we say respiratory illnesses?
So this winter season, I will say it's a season of exchanging gifts. It's a season of holidays. It's a season of traveling, and exchanging of gift. And at the same time, we also exchange these type of infection because these viruses are very common during this season. The reason being, of course, the cold air. The cold air, which is a very usually dry, and that helps in transmission of viruses. Apart from that, of course, we all try to stay indoors in closed environments. So that is again something which promotes the exchange of these viruses among individuals. So that's why I say this is a season where we see a lot of cold flu type of illnesses. That is nothing new, and majority of these are caused by viruses. And the good thing about these respiratory viruses, these are self-limiting diseases. So they will respond, the body will take care of its own, and we usually don't have to give specific treatment. Of course, symptomatic treatment, say for fever, you may have to use paracetamol. For cough, you may require medicine for cough. But specific antiviral or antibiotic is not required in majority of these cases unless some secondary infection happens. Of course, that is something which a doctor has to
जो लेना है वो हमारा सीएस ने मीटिंग करके ले लिया। तो इसके लिए आपको आतंक चढ़ाने का कोई जरूरत नहीं है। अभी देखो, मेरा अच्छा से करने दो। अभी ऐसा कोई अलर्टनेस कोई हमारे पास नहीं है। जो होगा मैं आपको बता देंगे। And our government is always ready to do any service for the people. COVID we fought, कैसे कोविड को टाइप में हम लोगों ने किया है। हम जो भी अगर कुछ होगा हमारा कोई गाइडलाइंस आएगा तो हम जरूर देखेंगे।